Hey bestie! Welcome to another site tour vlog. Tara, house hunting tayo! Welcome to Camellia Dasma at the Island Park, located at Barangay Paliparan 2, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Bago natin itour ang house, let's check first the amenities. Here's the clubhouse. Sobrang lawak at perfect for birthdays, binyag, wedding receptions, at iba pang special gatherings. Plus, every Sunday may Holy Mass dito, kaya hindi mo na kailangan lumabas ng subdivision para magsimba. Ito naman ang pool area. Siguradong mag-e-enjoy ang kids at kids at heart. Bonus pa, pwedeng mag-work dito ang mga work from home moms and dads habang nag-e-enjoy sa paglangoy ang mga bata. Safety, no worries. May 24/7 security at maraming security personnel na nagbabantay sa buong community, kaya mas kampante kang ligtas ang family mo. At para sa mga mahilig mag-basketball, good news! Every phase ng community may sariling basketball court, kaya hindi na kailangan lumayo para makapaglaro. Now that you've seen the community, tara, let's check out our ready for occupancy unit. Here's the Ravina inner unit with a 36 square meters lot area and 40 square meters floor area. Best part, all units are complete upon turnover, so gamit na lang talaga ang dadalin mo. Next is the Ravina End unit. It comes with a bigger 54 square meters lot area and 40 square meters floor area, giving you more outdoor space for future extension or landscaping. We also have Isabel unit. This comes with 2 lots and 1 house. May dedicated parking space ka na. It has spacious 92 square meters lot area and a 46 square meters floor area. Perfect for growing family who wants extra space. Now, let's check out the Dana model. One of its best feature is that it already comes with a carport and balcony. It's also a corner lot along the main road, making it more accessible and more premium. And with a spacious 176 square meters lot area and 83 square meters floor area, you'll have plenty of space both inside and outside your home. And lastly, this is Freya, our biggest and most premium home. With a 200 square meters corner lot and 142 square meters floor area, it offers plenty of space for a garden, future expansion, multiple parking spaces, and comfortable family living. If may napupusuan kayo sa ating RFO units, just message me. Thank you for watching. See you on our next site tour. Bye!